Hello friends, welcome to our channel Prepare for Bank. So friends, today we are going to discuss how you can register for the mock test on Prepare for Bank website. So friends, there are two mock tests that are available on the Prepare for Bank website. One is for the free and the second one is for the paid. So for paid you have to register and then you will be able to give the full length mock test exams. So friends, first you need to open the website prepareforbank.in. Once you open this website, then in the menu bar you can see we offer. Over here in we offer we have the mock test section. In this section you can find the full length mock test that is for free, and then the second part is 60 plus full length mock test exams. So if you have not registered for the full length mock test exams, you will not be able to open that link. So for that friends, you need to first get yourself registered. You can register yourself. Either you can first start with the get started button, or you can register for the mock test. Once you click on either of the button, then you will be redirected to the register page. In the register page you need to enter your username, first name, last name, email address, mobile number, password, then confirm the password. Then you can select the package, that is Super 30 over here, and then you can fill the referral detail and give the consent for this two check boxes, and then you can pay the fees over here by clicking the register. It will go to the payment gateway and the fees are taken. So this is the process for your registration. Once you are registered, then the username, email address are used for your login, and the password which you have entered over here, that will be your way to log in on this website. So once you are in, then you can click on the login part, or you can directly click on the we offer 60 full length mock test link, and then you can come on this page where the different mock test exams are available that are designed in a way that it will be helpful in your bank exam preparation, to check where you are lagging or where you are more comfortable. So friends, in mock test exam page you will be finding there are three categorization, like easy, medium and moderate, and then the hard bank practice set. So these are the practice set that are available in total. So for easy the time allotment is more, that is for 2 hours and 45 minutes, and for the moderate the time allotment is less, it's only for 2 hours, and then for the hard it's 1 hour 30 minutes. So it increase as the time reduces, the pressure increases, and then it makes harder or difficult to complete all the questions in the given time frame. And after this bank exam set, you are also getting an additional benefits of banking awareness practice set and the computer awareness practice set. So if you are looking for more set, that will be for the banking practice set and the computer practice set to practice on this part. So friends, these are the information that I wanted to share for the Prepare for Bank mock test registration part. If you have any questions or queries, do mention in comment section. We'll update you or get back to you with your queries. Thank you friends.